Haven't been to this mall in forever. They got so many sneaker shops at this mall. They have a Shoe Palace. They also have a Champs. They have a Foot Locker. They have a Chic. They have a JD Sports. And they even have a locker room by Lids. All right, let's look around and see what we'll find. All right, we're starting on the far end with Champs. They used to have a whole big clearance section. I don't really see it anymore. We got a bunch of winter stuff for 50% off, but yeah, their clearance section is gone. Damn, dude. They do have a sales right, $20 t-shirts, not that big of a deal. Actually, this is a really good deal. A lot of the CSG stuff, Champ sports gear. A lot of this is polyester though, that's a big deal. Or that's like one of the reasons I'm not too into it. I did buy a few things for my kiddo, but I'm trying to stay away from polyester, all the plastics and stuff. Yeah, but these are all $15, not bad. They got the clearance section for shoes here. We've slowly been starting to see these Pegasus premiums on sale. Not the greatest price though. Right here, they've got Jordan 1. These are what, grade school women's? Got the MBs right here. I think these are grade school. Yeah, 110 down to 60. Jocks, we've been seeing these. I think women's. Is it women's? Is it men's? I don't know. But 110 for Vomero is not bad. Then on the back side right here, they got other stuff, but nothing too impressive to be really honest. Jordan section right here. We have been seeing these on sale quite often lately. And I think this is the latest release. This just released today, Jordan 1. I don't know what the hell it's called, but got some nubuck, got some canvas on it. $185 for these Jordan 1 Hot OGs. And then yeah, just that one's on sale. The Easters, the Cherry 13s, the Bugs Bunny 8s not on sale. Got the Salesman. Nothing too crazy. Haven't these been on sale at a bunch of spots? Maybe they just got a restock. And then in the Nike basketball section right here, you got some Sabrinas, got some KDs. I feel like we've seen all those on sale. I forgot to mention this one in the intro. And of course they have a really good selection of all the different sports, all the different teams. But I really like to check out this clearance section right here where they got one of the Robert Horry jerseys right here. I'm a huge fan of this because this is what I grew up with, like 90s Lakers. That's who I grew up with. $70. This is small. This is a small, and I think got two smalls right here. That's a pretty solid price. $70. That's pretty much 50 off. Got Damon Lillard right here, $70. Dominique. I heard a lot of the younger kids don't like any of the old school guys, so they do go on sale. $70. I see a couple of small and a medium. Got an Isaiah jersey right here, double XL, $70. Washington Bullets, Chris Webber jersey, $70. Who's this? I don't know who that is. I don't know. Atlanta jersey right here, $70. What was that? Pistol Pete, I guess. Another Chris Webber right here. Got the Mike Bibby jerseys. Mike Bibby going for $70. And with these prices, you can just get stuff for Christmas and stuff right now. Just keep it in your closets. Got Nash. KJ. Ooh, I haven't heard of KJ in a minute. Isn't he like a mayor, or wasn't he a mayor or something? Somewhere Matumbo. Looks like these are all $70. Alonzo, Paul Gasol. See a Spreewell jersey. Did I get one for my brother-in-law? I think I got one of these from my brother-in-law. $70 for those. Got a Chris Paul. There's this Davis jersey right here. LJ. Okay. Oh, Grant Hill jersey right here. Pretty fire. $70 for pretty much all of these. 50% off, not bad. Damn, we got a lot of stuff on clearance. Damn, dude. Okay, we got Murray right here. Who's this? This is Stephon Diggs. Got a Diggs jersey. What's the price of these though? What's the price of these? 87. So yeah, 50% off. That's Trayvon Diggs, right? But yeah, they got Dodgers hoodies right here. these Cooperstown collection. So these are Mitchell and Ness. Yeah, they're going for 50 bucks. 50 bucks. That is a youth XL. I got youth double XL right here. There's this Dodgers sequence jacket right here. I guess it's for the women. Oh, is that youth? I don't know. But yeah, 60 bucks. There's a salute to service. Is this the Niners? Are these Niners ones? Oh, it's a kids Niners. I see Chiefs. I see Rams. Yeah, they're going for 50 bucks for youth sizes. Yeah, 50 bucks. They got another one right here. XL. Yeah, they got Dodgers handbag. 25 bucks. 25 bucks for Dodgers handbags. I remember when these first came out, we saw them. Yeah, 25 bucks. I think that's the original price because I was like, hey, those are cheap. They got some baseball jerseys right here, authentic. 50 bucks. 50 bucks. I don't know who number 8 is. That Frank Thomas? They got a Mitchell and Ness Mets one right here. Sizing definitely going to be an issue. Ken Griffey one right here. That is a large. This one's going for 65. They got New York. They got the Expos. Marlins. Is that Dawson right there? They got David Ortiz one in a few different sizes. 65. They got some decent stuff, you guys. Decent stuff. They got one of these. Plenty of the Kobe's. All kinds of Vomeros. On running, got a big section. Got dunks, forces, Jordan releases. Dearth of sale signs. I really don't see too many things on sale. These are weird. Yeah, these are definitely interesting. Got a bunch of... I thought they were stars, but no, not really. Not really. Kind of interesting. These are $160 for these bad boys right here. It says LA on the back right there. Interesting. We got one of the busier Chics out here. And those of you guys that follow my channel, y'all know what I'm looking for. I don't see no signs, which means everything is prices marked, but I am surprised to see this. Those of you guys that don't have a Nike outlet near you, $140 for this, not bad. These retail for $180, and that is one of the classic fire colorways. But in the men's sizes, a lot of the Jordan Retros. Oh wait, oh no, they're right there. Went out because I was like, there's no way they all went. They all sold out, but yeah, they do have the 5s. I think those 5s have been on sale lately. They got the Salesman 13s. These have been on sale, haven't they? Have they been on sale? Yeah, I was like, they have been on sale, dude. I know what I'm talking about. What the hell? But apparently I don't know what I'm talking about because I thought these were on sale. Maybe at Shoe Palace they had them. Sale, but yeah, they got the 9s right here. And we have been seeing plenty of Kobe's. Got foams right here. This might be the cheapest I've ever seen at a retail shop. $130 for foams, over $100 off. These came out a while ago though. Shocks right here go for $70. That's one of the better prices. I think this is the women's section though, right? I'm asking you guys like you guys know, but yeah, this is up here, so I'm pretty sure it's the women's section. Or is it grade school? It might be grade school. Yeah, grade school section right here. Air Max Uptempo, aka Uptempo 95's got the Chicago one right here. Braun 24s. I can't believe the 24s have already been out for, like, fuck, basketball season's already starting to wind down. Holy crap, where did the year go? Can't believe it's almost the end of basketball season. Crazy. $90 for grade school forces? How much are they normally? They're normally $90. What the hell? Bad Bunny campus. I can't believe they still have these here. I think it's like a size 13 or something, but they've had these forever. Got the sesame ones. And these black and gray. Oh, I think that has a reflective. Oh, no. I thought that was reflective. But yeah, no, not reflective. But $50. Not bad. 50% off. If you want black and white, they got you for $60. So let's sale on some of that stuff. I've never seen this colorway of the Evo SLs. Interesting. $160 for these. They got those on sale, no? Yeah, these are on. Oh, I swear I thought these were on sale. Maybe they got a newer shipment. I guess not. Nope. I think we got 3 more stores. And I've been complaining about how we have not been seeing 574s on sale. At least we're starting to see some of the prices go down. This colorway, not bad, matches with almost everything. This one is really dope. This does have that reflective material, 75, normally 100. You can see that reflective material. And I really like these 574s. I think I have like 4 different colorways. I was like, I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. Now it's just the last one. AE2s, no sale on those. But all the other stuff was, these are up to 200 now? Really? Air Max DN's up to 200? What the hell? But yeah, nothing too crazy. Backside right here, I don't know. Nothing's really talking to me. Nah. Checking out the kiddo section. These quietly did sell out, huh? They did sell out. We have not seen these. I saw it in one mall, but I haven't seen these at too many spots at all lately. But the grade school's still available. They do have these in the women's right here, some 10s, Valentine's 4s. I think that's about it though. It does look like they remodeled this locker room by Lids. So bright. Same with Pro Image. They got plenty of current stuff at regular price. And this is the first spot where they actually have like a menu for all the personalized stuff. I've never seen that. That's pretty good. Dope. But it seems that 30% off sale from last week is over. Would have thought it'd be a good time to get rid of all their basketball stuff since at the end of the season. I guess not. Guess not. We saw that at the Koopa one for like $30 and haven't seen it since. Yeah, 63 here. I think it was mislabeled. They do have this jersey right here. They have a Galaxy jersey, $40. That's not bad. Is that a youth? No, looks like it's a men's small. Men's small, pretty good price. 40 for the LAFC jerseys right here. These are smalls. These jackets are pretty dope. Still 90. Lakers black on black sweatshirt right here, $60. This is for the kiddos. This one's actually pretty dope, pretty generic. Yeah. But still not bad. $80. I like this. I don't know, I like it for some reason. LAFC, $35 for these men's hoodies. LAFC jersey, 80 down to 40. These are all mediums. Galaxy going for 80. Kevin Durant jersey with Phoenix going for 60. RJ Barrett jersey right here, 45. Not bad. In the, is this a large? Yeah, large section right here. Aaron Donald, what they go for? 90 for Aaron Donald. Micah Parsons, I think this is a youth, $30 for that one. Gretzky jacket, Mitchell and us. I don't see a tag though. I don't see a tag. Yeah, I just see that tag, but I don't see a price tag. Dang it. Cool remodel, but sale section not really hitting quite yet. That's like the biggest Journey store I've ever seen. We're not going in there, but yeah, we do have a shoe palace here. They got the cool Jordan wallpaper. They got all the latest releases, including these 4s. I think these are starting to sell out too. This is the only spot where we've seen those in a men's size. Yeah, no Laker 4s. No Laker 4s, yeah. Yeah, it wasn't Chic, it was Shoe Palace that did have these 5s on sale. $180 here, so you know if you need these. And then $130. Is that the same price that they had, or was it $140 over there at Chic? I don't know, but they are on sale here. And they do have the Jordan Hydros, $50 for these bad boys right here, the Great 5s. NBA All-Star jerseys, this is Jordan brand. They also have for $40, dude. $40 normally, $135. Holy crap! So almost $100 off. Are you serious? I don't know why I had an accent all of a sudden, but yeah, $40 freaking dollars. If you're into hoops, they got a bunch of different players. Do they? Or is it all Cunningham? Is it Cade? There's Cade Cunningham right there. We got Brunson. We got LeBron. So they do have a few players. They got more on this side as well. Are these all on sale? Yeah, these are all $40. So check the stores near you. We got Edwards right there. Dude got Shy right here. These on sale as well. Yeah, $40. $40 for all these jerseys. That is freaking dope. Stuff for the cheapest. We've seen those, and then these Jordan hoodies right here. That's pretty freaking dope. Then we've been seeing a ton of Jordans And that goes well. The Kobe's as well. Got the 3s, got the 1s, got the 9s right here. All go for retail. If y'all have a chance, hit up the Nike outlets. That's where I got my Kobe Protros for hella cheap. Grabbed these for under $100. That was pretty freaking dope. I think this is the first time we've seen these on sale, right? 110 for the Niners. Colorway with the diamond turns. Got the midnight navies here going for 100 as well. Shocks. 130 for these. These are almost $100 off. These retail for $220. They're $90 freaking off. Are they super comfortable? I don't know. They're okay, but I think the Vomero premiums are going to be way better. I need to try those. Got the rest of the sales items right here. Got books, $100. They got these Cortez super long hair suede, $60. Look at some of the newer releases. Dude, got the Jurassic Park colorway. They actually have the entire pack here. The Jurassic Park. This is from the first one, that Explorer that they went around in. That was this colorway, or this color. I don't know what this one's from, but this is a part of the Jurassic Park pack as well. I don't remember what colors these represented. And I think this is the last one, right? Got hairy material on the tongue right there. These are all going for 130. Oh, those are 135. This is 145. 145 right here. Is that the Chinese New Year? Maybe that's not the same one. 135, 135, 145. Wow. And that's why I tell you guys to shop around. Look at this 160 here. You know, that's a pretty big price difference just from one, you know, walking to a few stores in a mall. They had these for what, 140 over there? So $20 difference. Apparently you got to be crazy thin to fit in this mirror. Dude got some SB Dunks on right here. These are interesting SB Dunks because these are one of the few SB Dunks with like minimal padding. There's like barely any padding on it. Usually the tongue is fat as hell, and usually there's padding along the ankle collar. There's really none of that on these. These are one of the iShod wear releases from way back when. Did grab these for crazy cheap at the clearance store. It's like when I first started hitting them up, I was like, what? $40? And like I said, I have to like stand sideways and be super skinny, like just no give in the mirror. But yeah, we're in all black. Then you guys did see a bunch of sale signs for the Hokas. These are all the Bondis, or these are the Cliftons. Cliftons right here, Cliftons 110. These are the Clifton 9s. These are the 10s and 9s right here, $100. 120. They got the Mafate Speeds. These have been the same price even at Ross, dude. Even at Ross, they go for $90. Even got On Cloud for 130. Cloud Surfers right here. And a bunch of Asics. Like, what are these? I don't even know what Asics these are, but yeah, they got some on sale.